Gala Games, massive partnership with Huobi. They have partnered with Gala Games for an L1 and Web3 development, guys. Huge news. If you're a huge Gala supporter like I am, this is bullish. And how about 2023? It's been a bullish start to the year for Gala. So many things happening. They're getting into not only PC gaming, we know that, but now they're getting into mobile gaming, huge acquisition. They're burning their supply. Oh, I can't wait until we get back into a full-fledged bull market and the gaming sector starts to take off. Gala Games is at the forefront of one of the next big sector booms, in my opinion. Let's dive into this article, though, guys, because a lot of interesting things here happening. And Huobi partnering with Gala Games for their L1 and Web3 development. Now, Huobi Global has joined hands with Gala Games, a blockchain-based play-to-earn gaming platform, to work together on the investment and listing of Web3 projects. Huobi Global, massive cryptocurrency exchange, has declared a strategic partnership with Gala Games. Now, in an official blog post today, Huobi announced a partnership with Gala to develop the Web3 ecosystem there. The two companies will collaborate to invest in and list projects within the Gala ecosystem. Gala Games enables developers to create play-to-earn crypto and NFT games, which allows players to buy and sell in-game items. Remember that this is like an infrastructure play. You're not betting on one game or one token to succeed. Gala Games is a infrastructure play where they are the platform that you create another crypto or NFT game on. That's why I love it. Now, once purchased, these in-game items obviously cannot be modified or deleted by developers without players' consent. Huobi's collaboration with Gala is expected to enhance the former's Web3 objectives, allowing to integrate with the Gala Layer 1 blockchain. A lot of these centralized exchanges, they're trying to get a DeFi branch, right? You're seeing it with Kronos and how they're rebranding. You're seeing it with pretty much every major crypto exchange. They want to get into DeFi as well. You're looking at the Coinbase, the base layer, right? Their DeFi wallet. All these centralized exchanges are trying to get into that Web3 space, really. And Huobi, no different. And they're choosing Gala Games to really help them get there. This is big. Huobi is not a small centralized exchange, guys. It's massive. It's really big. It's one of the top centralized exchanges by volume out there. And it says Huobi's happy to announce a strategic partnership with Gala Games. And together, they plan on cooperating in the investment and listing of high-quality projects, including Layer 1 integration, co-branding, and community development. Huobi Global is pursuing a license right now in Hong Kong in light of new regulatory measures as well being considered by the Chinese Special Administrative Region that would enable the platform to cater to retail clients. Of course, this is big because China just happened to open the doors back up to crypto. Now, Huobi has also announced its plans to expand its services in other regions by launching a Visa-backed crypto to fiat card. This card will make Huobi customers residing in the European Economic Area, and it'll be available to all of them. And it's expected to launch in the second quarter of this year. Appreciate you guys as always. Huge news for Gala Games. Let me know what you think about it down below. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a fantastic weekend. Peace.